Probability practice exercises 35 and 36. 35 says compute the probability of drawing the king of hearts or a queen from a deck of cards. So we are assuming that we are just drawing one card. So again, probability of drawing the king of hearts or a queen from the deck of cards. So I believe that these are mutually exclusive events because a card can't be both a king of hearts and a queen. So king of hearts, there's only one of them out of 52. And there are 4 queens in the deck of cards. So that leaves us with 5 out of 52. Okay, 36, compute the probability of drawing a king or a heart from the deck of cards. Now these are not mutually exclusive because there is a card that is the king of hearts that is both a king and a heart. So if we're looking for the probability of the king or a heart, there are 4 kings, there are 13 hearts, and there's one king of heart that has been, king of hearts rather, that has been counted twice, so we will have to subtract that. And so that's going to give me 16 out of 52, which reduces to 4/13.